Hi, Glen Moore here. If you're a small business owner, you've probably asked yourself the question, is my marketing actually working? Is it doing for me what I want it to do? Here are the top 5 digital marketing concerns that I hear from companies all the time. First, wasted marketing spend. Most small business owners, they've tried marketing before. They've done SEO, they've done pay-per-click, social media advertising, email. They've tried it and they get clicks and they get other KPIs, but they fail to get the results that they really want, which is revenue, quality leads to help them scale their business. This is super frustrating and it just feels like they're burning their cash. The second concern is inconsistent lead flow. They feel like their lead volume is all over the place. It's feast and famine. So if you're a service business and you go to trade shows, you get referrals, you get positive word of mouth. That's great because it tells you you're doing really good work. But the problem with that is you get feasts of leads coming in and then periods of time where you have very little quality leads coming in, and that prevents you from having a solid, predictable flow and to scale your business in a predictable way. It can also lead to you having to do some layoffs when you don't want to. You want to maintain that consistent, growing business so that you can scale predictably. The third concern is low quality leads. You get inquiries for jobs that you really don't want, jobs that are less ideal for you as a company, or worse yet, you get leads from contacts that don't even remember that they reached out to you in the first place. That's frustrating. You don't need more leads, you need the right leads. People that are ready to book the jobs that you actually want to take. The fourth concern is lacking a clear strategy and communication with your marketing team. You've taken the time and you've built your business with care, and you ensure that you're working with a marketing partner that is listening and understands your goals and is putting the right strategy in place and spending the right amount of time and communicating with you along the way so that you know how things are progressing, how they can make things better and optimize them. You need a solid partner and excellent communication. And this leads me to concern number 5, which is just not having the proper expertise in-house to get the kind of marketing results that you need. So you may have a jack of all trades in-house, but today in today's environment with marketing, things change so often. Algorithm changes in AI, what's going on in the marketplace. What's nice about having a marketing partner or an agency is that for less than a full-time employee, you can get access to specialists with SEO and content writing, in graphic design. You can get access to those individuals, less the cost of a full-time employee. Chances are that one of these concerns resonates with you and is a concern for you right now. Over the next few videos, I'm going to break each concern down and show you how you can fix it so that you can get your company back on track for predictable growth and get the very most of every marketing dollar that you spend. Good luck to you, and here's to your success.